Dear students, in this unit we will talk about another large group of vertebrates, reptiles. All of you must be familiar with different animals of this group, reptiles, because they are found almost everywhere. They are even present in the household as well. They are the first true vertebrates which successfully inhabited land, and they don't need water or water bodies in any part of their life cycle. The examples are turtles, snakes, lizards, crocodiles, alligator, etc. If we talk about the fossilized reptiles, you must be aware with the dinosaurs. There was a huge varieties of dinosaurs which have once lived on this planet, and now they have become extinct. They were also part of this large group of vertebrates, which is reptiles. They live in variety of different habitats and have several adaptations which help them successfully live in different places on this planet Earth. They are cold-blooded animals, which means they are poikilotherms. They cannot regulate their body temperature just like the amphibians and fish. Among the other characteristics, they have clawed toes, mean their four feet, they have claws, and they don't have any feather or any type of hair on their skin. They have highly developed visual, so their sight is quite impressive, with the exception of a few examples. They also have availed very high sensory organs. So hearing is also one of the very much advanced and developed aspect of these animals. They have an internal structures. These are the different examples of reptiles. You can see these are snakes, turtles, lizards, different types of lizards are present. They have basically internal structures, and the most important adaptations that have successfully helped reptiles to live on land was the development of a scaly skin, which contains a protein, keratin, and waxy lipids. This really helps them to inhabit different habitats, even very dry and hot habitats they are able to successfully live in, because these scaly skins help them reduce water loss from the skins. If we compare it with amphibians, amphibian skin is very slimy and moisty, and very easily water can evaporate, and they can easily in dry or in very rough environment, they can easily lose a lot of water. But it's not the case with reptiles. Due to this ability, they have successfully inhabited the humid environment as well as very hot desert conditions as well. They have fully developed lungs for respirations. Their heart is divided into 4 chambers. When we talk about the reproduction, they lay their eggs on lands. These eggs are normally covered with a very hard shell, and this provides them a sealed environment for the developing embryo. Their amniotic eggs consist of amniotic liquid and the embryo. These amniotic liquid helps in the buffering and protection of that embryo. The egg also contains yolk, which provide nutrients to the embryos. With the passage of time, the embryo develops the allantois. It is a membrane which receives the waste product of the embryos which is developing inside their eggs. So basically, reptiles are one of the organisms or the animals which have inhabited very diverse part of the ecosystem.